To my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unbox my brand new 2020 MacBook Air. Okay, just to share with you, I really wanted to buy this since last year since it was launched, but you know, tight on budget sometimes, so I bought this as my birthday gift for myself, and I think I deserve this. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna start unboxing this MacBook. I'm so excited, guys. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung mukha ko para nakafocus lang siya sa MacBook. Okay, so I love the backs of Apple. It's like very classic, very classy. You just have to, let's move a little like this out, like that. Going to, let's unwrap it. Pull it up. Well, actually guys, I bought this here in Dubai, and I bought this for 4,199 AED, or equivalent to 1,551 US dollars, around that amount. I can open, it's too tight. Come on, gusto na kita gamitin.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Gosh, I think there's a lot of pressure inside. Oh gosh. Okay. Just pull this up. And this one. I chose gold because it's very girly and I look at it very elegant, so I preferred gold, but they have space gray and silver. So let's put this on the side for a minute. So I will show what else inside the bags. So it's the USB-C cable. There we go. And then they have the stickers and the manual. Oh, look at that! So there's a free stickers, 2 stickers. It depends on what color of the MacBook you get. So mine is gold, so they gave me gold. Okay, and then the USB-C adapter, power adapter. Go. Wait, for your information, this weighs 1.29 kg or kilogram or 2.8 pounds, and its size is 13-inch, so it's very convenient and easy to carry, you know, than the big one, so I prefer this one. And let's take out the plastic. There we go. Ooh, I feel like I don't wanna use it. It's really stick on the table. I almost didn't get it. Okay, so when we open this, I want to show it to you like this way. So when we open this up, it's automatically turned on, and it's gonna start setting up immediately. Oh my gosh, I can't open. Okay. Oh, see that? It's already open, guys. It's already turned on. Ooh, oh my gosh, there you have it, guys. I'm so excited. And then it's automatically set up, and let's wait for the command.
return key.
The return key. And then let's head up the island. The Philippines. Oh, it's too far. So guys, let's continue. I'm gonna show you the laptop. Here we go. I'm so kilig. Good about this is this model has 20% bigger trackpad than the previous model of Apple, and then it has two speakers on the side, as you can see. Go the speaker, and it's very light. Like actually the book is heavier than this one. It's very light. And then what else I can say about this? And the one thing I really like about this is there's a touch ID sensor. This one, yeah, that one, that's a touch ID sensor, so you don't have to type your password every time you use the computer. So just touch this and it's gonna be unlocked. It's very convenient and easy to use. Then it has LED backlit display with IPS technology, and it's a dual-core 10th generation and 1.1 gigahertz Intel Core i3 processor. So yeah, and also the volume of this one is 25% more volume and 2 times more bass than the previous model. GB or gigabytes of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So I don't need a lot because I'm using this as personal use. So I'm just doing, you know, more on social media and emails and a little bit of videos for like vlogs, but I don't do vlogs every time. It's just every vacation, which is very rare, like 2 or 3 times in a year. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm so happy. It's really light. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm just carrying a notebook. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Okay, guys. So if you have more questions about Apple, just, you know, I'm not an expert. I'm really not. So just visit the Apple website. So for your more information and details about their products. But a bag. I hope it will fit. Actually, I bought this at here also in Dubai, and I see the color. It's like pinkish, like gold. I was like, oh, that's perfect for my laptop. So I bought also this one, and it's so nice because it's velvet inside. It will really protect your laptop from scratch or anything. See that? And it's really thick. It has a lot of pockets here, up here, and this one has zipper. Another zipper, another zipper, oh shit, another zipper, and then there's like a strap, so you can put this if you have a hand carry suitcase, a small suitcase. You can put this on the handle, and good to go. And what I like about this also, if you want to carry your laptop like this, you can just hide the handle inside this pocket. Actually, I didn't know about this, but I just realized that it can be, yeah, it can really be. Zip it off. There you go. It's nice for $10, and I already have this really nice and cute laptop bag. Okay, bye guys. See you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm gonna have some time with my laptop.